They're riding my brain, love. These hoes are sad.
That was so bad.
Finish, broke my heart. Oh no, you didn't.
Oh my god. I'm stuck on this space.
I live them all the same, 'cause I'm scared of all that I don't know, 'cause I want it all, but all of it ain't gold. And I'm scared, but I know it's
Why is
not
my control? Why though?
'cause I'm learning what I should have long before.
Because I'm on.
It's not a problem. Just, I don't know, don't make the exact same fucking video.
And all we are is falling through the spaces in between endless flight.
He's got fucking Mayday, bro.
Lifetime in repeat.
But I still find solace when you say that you know how I feel when it's wrong, and we've been right for years. Let it go, give these ghosts a new home. Let's bury our past and our fears and all the
Oh my god.
let's go. I should have seen it long before, 'cause this is my life. I will not run in circles. So hold on to me, burn out slowly. Feel how I sleep to words we don't need.
All in the back, all in the back. Hit it. Oh, it's my fault.
Is lying to darkness, and all we are just time that's counting down, and all we are falling through the spaces in between, and let's fly.
Oh, whoa, no. Oh, hell no, my girl beats my ass, dude. She'd kill me. Like, I get a long shot? Yeah, thank you. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. That's a clip for YouTube. Really? Oh my god, that is so gross.